Sweet papaya, that is available throughout the year, is a rich source of nutrients and antioxidants, making it a favorite with women who want to have glowing skin and thick mane. Fresh papaya is not only tasty to eat but is also excellent when it comes to its benefits for the skin. It contains enzymes such as papain and alpha-hydroxy acids that have the ability to dissolve dead cells and remove impurities, which lead to glowing skin. The other ingredient in this mask, honey, has antibacterial properties that can protect the skin. What do you need? 1/2 cup fresh papaya pieces. 1 teaspoon honey. You need to do 1. Mash the papaya pieces till you get a smooth and thick paste. 2. Add honey to this paste and mix thoroughly. 3. Apply the paste to your face and keep it on for about 20 minutes. 4. Wash your face with warm water. 5. Rinse again with cold water and pat your skin dry. How often you need to do this? Every night before sleeping. Best suited for oily skin, normal skin. Caution: papain can cause allergic reactions in some people. Do not use this remedy if you are allergic to papaya and its products.